Oh, the whole Peppa family is here!
Yay!
But wait, they're only molds for now. We're going to shape them with Play-Doh. All right, let's get started. Let's make Grandma Pig look beautiful first.
Yes!
This mold is pink, and this Play-Doh is light pink. I'll use the roller to flatten the Play-Doh until it's nice and smooth. Next, we're going to use the mold. Now let's lift the mold up. Remove the extra Play-Doh and decorate Grandma Pig a little. Pink! We're all done. Look how beautiful Grandma Pig is. Now, let's let her rest here while we make another family member. We're making Mummy Pig next. Her cutter is green, so what color Play-Doh should we use? Ah, I see some light pink Play-Doh here. The mold needs enough room to cut the Play-Doh, so we're going to roll it out nice and flat. Now it's time to use the mold. Are you ready to see the result? Lift the cutter up and let's take a look. Oh, Mummy Pig needs a little more decoration. Now Mummy Pig is ready to join us.
Wow!
Have a seat here and wait for a little while. The other family members are still waiting for us. This mold is Daddy Pig. Let's make him with Play-Doh. Oh, here's another piece of light pink Play-Doh. I know how to make it nice and flat. Isn't that great?
Yes!
Daddy Pig is getting excited already. Help me shape him, everyone. Now, let's remove these extra pieces and decorate him. Turquoise. Add the eyes. Oh, it looks like Daddy Pig is wearing glasses. A pair of black shoes. And the pink Play-Doh will be used to decorate his face. Black for his beard. Come on over, Daddy Pig. I'll take you to join everyone else. Daddy Pig wants to read the newspaper for a while we make the remaining family members. Who's next? I think it's Grandpa Pig. He's ready. Let's roll out the Play-Doh. Have we rolled out enough Play-Doh yet? Perfect. It fits just right. Let's remove the extra Play-Doh before adding the details. Now it's time to decorate Grandpa Pig. Add the eyes, white eyebrows, and don't forget the beard. Grandpa Pig is ready to do some gardening or go sailing on the sea. But first, come chat with the rest of the family. Let's keep going. Peppa, are you ready? I'm ready. Great. We'll choose this Play-Doh to match her skin color. Let's use the roller. Peppa's mold is purple. We are going to make a beautiful and colorful Peppa. Come decorate her with me. First, the eyes. Then her cute rosy cheeks. A smiling mouth. And her nose. Red for her dress. Black for her shoes. Our Peppa is finished! Let's bring her over. We still have one more tiny mold here. It's George. We'll do the same thing we did with the other family members. George's mold is yellow. Let's lift the cutter up. Our little friend wants some decorations too. We're almost done. Hooray! George, come on! Everyone is waiting for you. I can't wait to see my family. Please take me to them. Of course. We've created the entire Peppa family with Play-Doh. Isn't that amazing? And now it's time to say goodbye. See you next time.